Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and this is today's tip of the day. I want to show you how to properly lift a heavy object off the floor. This is not only for people with back pain, but in general, it's a safe way to do it, and it helps prevent back problems in the future also. All right. So let's say, for example, let's say this is an object that you want to lift. It's a 20-pound dumbbell that we have there on the floor. Now, a lot of times when people go pick something up from the floor, they just bend down like this and then they pick it up. So when you bend down, you're bending with your back, and then when you pick it up, you're lifting the whole weight with your back. Now, the back muscles are not very strong most of the time, and they're not really made to carry a lot of weight. Our legs are, and we want to use those bigger, heavier muscles on the legs. So this is how you lift this. So I want you to squat, go in squat position like this. All right, so when you squat down, you can just either hold it as you comfortably can. If it's a box, you can use the handles, and then come up this way. You bring it as close to your body as possible, but you're squatting down, you're using your legs, and the most important part, you use your butt muscles. Those are very big muscles and they're very strong. So to put them down, it's going to be the same thing. You're going to squat down, you put this down, you see my back was relatively straight when I did it. So when I go down, your back, you're keeping it straight as you can, bending it just a little bit, and then you can let go and come back up. So that's how I want you to practice lifting things off the floor and putting it back down. I hope that helps, and feel free to leave your comment below, and feel free to share this with your friends and family. Bye.